In this video, you'll learn about keyboard shortcuts to be used in Elementor. Keyboard shortcuts can help you in working more quickly and efficiently. They can also help you to be more productive by allowing you to do multiple tasks at once. Let's move to the page editor. I'm already here, but if you need help editing the page with Elementor, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. You can see here I'm on this page in Elementor. To know keyboard shortcuts in Elementor, all you need to do is press the Shift and question mark keys on your keyboard. You can find various keyboard shortcuts here. Here are the shortcuts to undo changes, redo changes, copy, paste, paste style, delete, duplicate, save, and many more. You can use shortcuts to navigate to the Finder, Navigator, show or hide the panel, etc. You can find various shortcuts here which can be used as per your need. And this was the amazing trick that guides you to find out keyboard shortcuts to be used in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.